Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to explain something about the API integration. If you want to become the expert in API integration in React application, we need to learn some of the topics. First thing is, what is the client server architecture, what is Axios, what is the pitch, what are the HTTP methods are available, what are the HTTP status codes are there, what is the use of the API, and what is the difference between the API and the REST API, how you can able to test the APIs, what is the postman, what is the use effect, and what is the componentDidMount. I guess in the previous videos I explained something about the use effect and componentDidMount. So what I'm guessing is you already learned about these two topics. Suppose you are integrating APIs in your application, how we need to display the data in the form of table format, and how to display the data in the form of AG grid system, how you can able to perform the CRUD operations, how you can able to provide the security to your application, what is the cross issue, how you can able to resolve this cross issue. If you learn all these topics, definitely you are going to become the expert in the API integration, and you can able to clear any kind of the interview question related to the API integration if you learn all those things. So in the next video, I am going to explain something about the what is the client server architecture and how it will work. Then after that, I am going to explain something about the one by one. So don't miss. From this video onwards, each and every person, without like skipping my videos, please watch.